Welcome to Explore World YouTube channel. We will talk about the world's 10 dangerous birds that can kill a human being. 1. Cassowary location, Australia and New Guinea. Why it's dangerous. Often ranked as the most dangerous bird on Earth, cassowaries are flightless but incredibly strong and territorial. They have sharp dagger-like claws up to 5 inches long on each foot and can kick with deadly force. They can run up to 50 kilometers per hour and jump over 5 feet high. Documented attacks on humans have caused serious injuries and even deaths. 2. Ostrich location, Africa. Why it's dangerous. The largest and heaviest bird in the world. Though generally shy, if threatened or cornered, an ostrich can deliver lethal kicks strong enough to kill lions or break a human's bones. Each foot has a sharp toe that acts like a weapon. They can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. 3. Emu location, Australia. Why it's dangerous. The second largest bird after the ostrich. Emus are strong and can become aggressive if they feel threatened or during mating season. They can run fast and kick with great power, using their clawed feet to defend themselves. 4th, southern giant petrel location, Southern Ocean near Antarctica. Why it's dangerous. Known as vultures of the sea, these large seabirds feed on carrion and even attack live prey, including penguins. Aggressive when feeding and have been seen pushing other birds away or even drowning them. Not dangerous to humans under normal conditions, but can be very aggressive in colonies. 5. Lammergeier, bearded vulture. Location, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Why it's dangerous. Unique diet, mostly bones. They drop bones from great heights onto rocks to break them. Legends tell of them dropping tortoises or bones that accidentally hit humans. Though not directly aggressive, their size and method of feeding can pose a rare but real danger. 6. Great horned owl. Location, North and South America. Why it's dangerous. These powerful nocturnal predators have a strong grip, up to 500 psi, and sharp talons. They hunt rabbits, skunks, and even other birds of prey, known to attack humans if their nests are disturbed, especially in urban areas. 7. Barred owl location, North America. Why it's dangerous. Very territorial and aggressive during nesting season, known to silently swoop at intruders, including hikers, hitting them with claws and causing cuts or eye injuries. Small but fearless. 8th, mute swan location, Europe, Asia, North America. Why it's dangerous. Despite their graceful appearance, mute swans can be extremely aggressive during breeding. They use their strong wings to strike or even drown smaller animals and dogs. Several cases exist of swans attacking humans who get too close to their nests. 9th, European herring gull location, Europe. Why it's dangerous. These large gulls are known to snatch food from people's hands. During nesting season, they become extremely aggressive and will dive bomb humans, sometimes causing injuries. Their sharp beaks can cut skin. 10th, red-tailed hawk location, North America. Why it's dangerous. These raptors have strong talons and beaks, and they fiercely defend their nests. There are reports of people being attacked while hiking near nesting sites. Their grip strength is strong enough to seriously injure small animals or people.